Hi guys, if you are watching this video, you must be one of the students who are in the path of obtaining the PMP certification. I thought of sharing my experience in a different way, hoping it may help in your preparation. This is the goal guys, and this is me. I'll be sharing my experience throughout my preparation as well as how I tackle my exam. As you know, there are more than 1400 ITTOs in the PMBOK. It says that you don't need to remember all these ITTOs, but at least you need to remember the key inputs, outputs and tools and techniques to tackle many hard questions during the exam. So it is closer to impossible that you remember all these ITTOs. But the good news is there's a logical way of remembering at least the key ITTOs which will be useful during the exam. So I'll be sharing the flows that use throughout the PMBOK, throughout the projects, which use these key ITTOs, and it will be make your life more easy to remember these, and it will make your preparation more interesting. So stick with me. I'll be sharing many of these flows throughout my videos. So if you are struggling, I was struggling at the beginning. If you are struggling to remember tons of information given in PMBOK, these videos are for you. So stick with me and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing a lot of videos like this. Thank you guys. Hi guys, we're looking at the journey of deliverables today, which is very important during the PMP exam. You may be involved into manufacturing industry, a service provider, pharmaceuticals, medicals, or you may be creating a report to a customer, a research report. So what are these deliverables? Deliverables include everything that you and your team produce for the project. The word deliverable is pretty self-explanatory. It means anything that your project delivers. The deliverables for your project include all of the products or services that you and your team are performing for the client, customer, or the sponsor. But deliverables include more than that. They also include every single document, plan, schedule, budget, blueprint, and anything else that gets made along the way, including all of the project management documents that you put together. We discuss about deliverables at a very high level during the project charter creation, but we go into more detail during the scope. But the key here is, where do we produce these deliverables? We produce deliverables in the execution. Specifically in direct and manage project work. We create deliverables along with work performance data. And now we need to do a quality check. So we push these deliverables as an input to control quality. Two things could happen. You do the control quality, and you can reject the deliverables if they do not meet the specifications. If this does, you can name it verified deliverable. The rejected ones definitely need some changes, so you need to create a change request. The verified ones, now we can push forward to the next stage, which is validate scope. So validate scope, it's verified deliverables as an input. Once again, two things could happen. This validate scope is performed by the customer. The customer could reject the deliverable, or they can accept it. Once again, the rejected ones definitely need a change request. So you create a change request because you need to go through the CCB or else the change control board to do the necessary changes. We'll be discussing more about CCB in our next video, which is a very critical process, a critical flow during the PMP exam. The change control process or the CCB will be approving or denying your request. The approved ones goes back to the manage project work. And now finally, the accepted deliverables by the customer goes to the final process group, which is close project. So this is the path of deliverables. Take a screenshot, guys. Check again and again.